Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add page numbers to your pages and documents on Microsoft Word really quickly. So if you're curious and would like to learn more, let us jump right into it. So guys, as you can see, we're on an example document here on Word. What you want to do guys is, as you can see, there are no page numbers yet, is simply add over to the Insert tab here in the top left. And here to the right, we see the feature header and footer. Simply select the page number feature here. And after that, hover your mouse over your preferred page numbering, like for example, at the top of the page, bottom, page margins, current position. So what you want to do is, or I would prefer going with a page numbering at the bottom of the page. And here to the right, simply select if you'd like, for example, choose if you'd like to have the page numbering on the left, in the center, or to the right, and so on and so forth. So let me go with centered page numbering, just like that. And as you can see, the page numbering has been automatically added here to your footer. So you may close that menu here. And as you can see, these page numbers are added automatically. So if I, for example, add a second or a third or even a fourth page to my document, the page numbering will automatically continue 4 and 5 and so on and so forth, guys. So it works 100% automatically, so that you don't have to add these page numbers manually anymore to each page. And that's how it works in practice, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we catch you later.